and welcome back to Toolbox Tutorials, where I show you how it's easy to use Canva. Today I'm gonna show you a really good trick. It's really simple and easy to do. So let's start. Let's add some text. Of course, you have it already did it. If you want to follow step by step, you can do it, or you can watch it and do it later. So let's begin. First thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Elements, and when we press Elements, we're gonna type in Shapes. And we here have examples: graphics, photos, videos, frames. We're gonna use shapes, see them all. And for this text, we're gonna use, let's use this one, so it covers all the text. We can do it like this, and we can change text, the color, because text is black and this shape is black also. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna press it here, change the color. So if you want to bring up the text in the front, what you can do, you can either drag this one, which takes time and sometimes mess up your design. So what you want to do to not mess up your design, you can press here in the top position, and here you can move the text here, and straight away text is on top of the shape. So what we're gonna do, we can align it a little bit more so it covers but not so much, and we can move it. As you can see, I'm moving now the shape, not the text, because you see I'm pressing here. By the logic, it's supposed to be text, but if I press layer and select the shape I wanted to move, it's gonna move that shape, not the text. So I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and see you in next tutorials.